You might have learned alkaline earth metals on flame test show different colors. How we can remember these colors? Now pay attention very carefully. We have alkaline earth metals beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. Okay, these are the elements present in the second group. Beryllium and magnesium do not show flame test because of small size and high ionization enthalpies. Remaining elements in the group show flame test. They show different color when they are put on fire. Okay. Remember a small sentence. Sentence is bread को और गर्म करो. Statement is what? ब्रेड को और गर्म करो. ब्रेड को और गर्म करो. From BR you can get a brick red color for calcium. From C you can get a crimson color for strontium. From A for apple, G for green. So we can get apple green color for barium. C for carmine is there. C for carmine and R for red colors. So we get carmine red color for radium. Calcium brick red, strontium crimson, barium apple green color and radium is what? Carmine red color. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.